Hi, I'm Krista with WTI, and today I'm going to share with you the secret for keeping my countertops clear of clutter and keeping my dishes where they belong, in the sink. It's SANNO's Expandable Dish Drying Rack. Now this dish drying rack really sets itself apart from the traditional dish drying racks that are just eyesores. They collect water, sometimes rust, and they steal valuable counter space. This item has really been a game changer for me because not only does it fit just perfectly in my farmhouse sink, it actually coordinates with all of my other stainless steel appliances. Some of the other features that are really useful are the fact that it has a deep drying basin. You can easily accommodate heavier items like frying pans, lids, and pots all at the same time, and they're secure. There's no worry they're going to roll over onto other items that are drying in the rack. Also, this drying rack has a rubber coating on the extendable arms and feet. So whether you like to have your dishes drying inside of the sink basin as seen here, or you need that full sink space and you need to move it onto your countertop, you don't need to worry that the stainless steel material is going to scratch your counters or sink. And here, the sectioned utensil holder is removable, so if you need that whole drain space, you can completely take it off or hook it onto the side. And if you want to drain your fruit, as you see here, you can even move it to the outside of the rack. I've been using this dish rack for several months now, and I couldn't be more satisfied with its design and functionality. I'm so glad I finally found a dish rack that's both stylish and sturdy. It's giving me back my counter space, and it looks great in my kitchen, and that's my point of view.